to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a makeover on my accent wall in my bedroom. Me and my husband, we just purchased a home recently, and so we're trying to get, things in order, get the decor and everything together, which is super, super expensive. So my goal has been to redo each room one at a time within a budget. And so my budget for my bedroom was $100. Now, that may not seem like a lot of money, but as you're going to see, that $100 got us very far with this accent wall. I did spend money outside of this wall, on other parts of my bedroom, which you guys will see in a separate video that I will be uploading probably next week for the rest of my bedroom. But this accent wall was the main piece I wanted to get together in my room because it kind of changed the whole look of the entire room. So I used Scotch Blue painter's tape, and that was only like $5 a roll. You don't even need a whole roll if you're just doing an accent wall. So all I did was tape around the perimeter just so the paint didn't get in places that it had no business being. That's really it. So I went ahead and got this paint from Lowe's. It's called Naval Blue. I think it was by Sherwin Williams, if I'm not mistaken. All I got was 1 pint of it. It literally was $30, after tax, $30 I spent on that. And then the rest of the little pieces, I went to Five Below, and I also went to Joanns, and Joanns always has some coupons. So I got a couple things from Joanns, and the rest of it was from Five Below. So as you can imagine, I did not spend a lot. I literally spent probably somewhere around $80, but I will include in the description box, everything. Or if I don't put in I'm going to put in the description box, but I'm also going to put in the video tags by everything, so that way you guys can see how much I spent on each piece for my accent wall. As you can see, I'm going around the perimeter with a paint brush instead of going straight in with the rollers, just to avoid making a mess everywhere and stuff like that. And it just makes it more precise. So you do that first, and then you go in with the big guns with the roller and start going to town. This paint was really good because I only needed to do 1 coat. I did go back and touch up the wall, as you'll see me doing that, but I didn't really need to. The wall was pretty much covered. It was just think of full coverage makeup. This was full coverage paint. It was really, really good. And I would definitely recommend this paint. I would buy it again. I need to figure out what kind it is. I think I threw the can away because I'm gonna probably do my daughter's room next, and I'm definitely gonna want to try that paint again in a different color. decided I need to go back to Five Below to grab just a few more pieces. So on my second trip is when I grabbed the lights that you're gonna see. I went back with my daughter and my sister-in-law, who's some other part of the store going crazy right now, buying stuff she does not need. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I went back and I was looking at the pillowcases because I was like, those could go cute on my bed. But I was like, no, stay focused. You came here for the lights. Get the lights and get out of there. This is the transformation. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more DIY videos like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because like I said, I'm going to be posting another video next week of how I revamped my dressers that I already had and turned them from, you know, that light. You guys will see how I redid the dressers, and they look really, turned out really, really nice. Also, if you did not watch the video of when I surprised my husband with cloud lights, definitely go check that video out. I will put the link to that video in the description box. And that's really it, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one.